Do whatever you want. You just tell me what you want, and I'll do that for you.
You're dumb.
Not to be that. What do you want?
I want a white house with blue shutters and a room overlooking the river so I can paint it.
Anything else?
Yes. I want a big old porch that wraps around the entire house.
Oh.
Drink tea and watch the sun.
Okay.
You promise?
Mm-hmm.
Good.